I've been meld attacking now for almost 3 years. Keeps me from smoking and drinking all the beers. And when I found my first coin, I could hardly believe my luck. Was a big gold penny just lying in the muck. Hey, you can't dig here. You can't dig there.
Well, good morning, Hammy Hunters, and here we are, we're at another Toddys digs, and this should be a good one. We've been in this field, I've been on it twice over the years, but it's had a deep plough, and I know there've been gold sorries came off it, there've been hammered coins came off it, lots of stuff coming off it, but it's a hard field because there are a lot of coke on it, so if you can't distinguish your coke, you could be digging up a lot of coke. But if you can just keep hammering away there, keep grafting away, the goodies are there. Okay, mate. Right, that was just Toddy on the radio to me. Right, so the guys are starting to come already, so I better go out here and help to get them parked up. So, catch you soon, guys. Well guys, I'm enjoying this field. I don't know how many guys I'll get around because we've got loads of land here today, and basically my walkie-talkie's out of charge, Mux's walkie-talkie's out of charge, so is Toddy's, so we'll have no communication between each other. But we'll just, so you might just have my finds today, so we'll start off with this one. A wee 3-ringer bullet. Loads of buttons, but I'm pretty confident there are going to be a few hammies come out of here today. Right, hammer on guys. And a lovely big buckle guys, let's hope it's a brass one. I think it is. That'll clean up lovely. Oh, happy with that one. Right guys, here's Kevin, a couple of coins. There's no anti-waves, this one.
Yeah, yourself.
No coins, just a buckle and buttons.
A couple of buttons there. That is.
Till it dries out, I think it will be. Might be a wee turn on that one. Don't want to rub it.
Just a button. That one.
Right guys, here's Michael and me Max.
Max,
Thumbs up Max. And who's the pup?
That's Sam.
Sam.
Aye, Sam. Sammy boy.
Sam's having a ball to
Aye,
himself.
he's having a great time. Look.
Well done guys.
Jeez. Hey, check, this has got a nice wee pattern on it.
Oh aye, a wee livery button.
Sam.
Oh, you'll be able to probably find out the coat of arms or who that family that belonged to any luck. Got a nice wee weight there. It's got markings on it. I've only gave it a wee clean in a puddle, but it's got some sort of markings on it. I can't sort of make them out now. But aye, that's a nice one. Happy with that one. And my first coin guys, nothing too exciting I don't think. I think it's a coin. Might be a button actually. It's a coin, I've no idea where it is now. I'll wait till it dries out and get it cleaned up a wee bit. Probably a wee halfpenny or something. But aye, this is good. So I'm just this is good. So I'm just heading back in, get a wee drink, and I think I've got a sausage roll and a cake waiting on me, hopefully. I don't know what this is. I'll wait till it dries out. Right, heading in. Guys, just 5 hour wee King Billy sixpence. Oh, it looks nice, mate. Well done. That's with the small coil. So you buying one?
Definitely buying.
Right, well, I'll get a wee photo. Yeah, Gavin picking up his t-shirt. What was that for? What did you find?
Henry II.
Henry II. Well done, mate. Right guys, Dawn's got a wee silver here. We're not sure what it is yet. Looks interesting, isn't it? Ah, that's definitely like a C, isn't it?
It's got HE and then CE and 1763 right here written on it.
1763? CE? Oh, we'll get a wee photo of that. There you go guys. Oh, lovely wee cannons, I love them.
That's the first
Brilliant.
one I found. I was more happy finding that than I did find the silver.
Oh, that's nice, eh? Well done, mate. Brilliant. I got a wee photo of them. There you go, guys.
Oh, you can give the dog a ball.
Huh?
That's not recording, is it, Alex?
It is.
God almighty.
How would you say?
At least you're worse than me today.
I know, and that was before I even started.
Is it?
Oh aye, definitely. A wee bit of hammy, well done.
A weeny bit.
Aye, watch the wind doesn't blow it away.
I
till I get a
know.
photo of it.
That's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Right guys, here's Stuart got a couple of nice wee finds. What is it, a silver what?
It says 1 shilling, Catlin Barber, and then at the bottom it says silver token, really nice.
Oh, that's grand.
And on the reverse it says York. You've got like a hay wreath, a crest which is a wee bit worn, but 1811.
Ah,
So that's nice.
brilliant.
And I got a 1889 Vicky threepence, which is alright, nice condition. I'll clean up nice in here. And a jetting as well.
A jetting, well done.
Medieval jetting.
Okay.
So that's alright, aye, pleased with that.
A nice big, I think it's a bale seal. I don't think it's a bag seal. That's one of the bale seals, so happy with that. I'll give that to Mux, he'll enjoy that. Might have a date on it, I'm not sure.
What show is that silver you brought with you?
Hey George, show us the silver. Hey, eBay's been busy this week.
One side's basically young Victoria,
Alright, aye, nice.
the other side's just blank. You maybe get some after that.
Aye, well done.
Brilliant.
Well guys, time's getting on, but I've had a good day. But I've got a signal here and it's either a coin or a button. There it's there, see it? not up to much. Just a wee toasted copper, I think. Still a coin. Still the anticipation of what it could have been. And probably another toasted copper there, see it? Don't know where it is, we'll clean it up and see later. Oh, die. But this is good fun. Right, here you go. What were you doing?
Huh?
What were you doing? Oh!
Looks like it's been worked.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it? It's amazing how sharp they are, aren't
Aye, I
they?
know, I thought I'd just cut myself with it
Aye.
the other now.
Well done.
Really quite nice.
Aye.
Opening a hole, I was at a target, piece of crap, and before I pulled it in I seen that shining.
It's a real man's bit of flint.
Aye, they used that to shape this.
That flint?
Aye.
Aye.
No, but that's definitely.
Aye.
I think it's what.
Aye.
Oh, so you'll record that, but you won't record the prime bit here.
I did record it.
Alright.
Aye. That
Aye,
must
don't
mean
worry, I record all the crap as well as the good stuff.
Right, empty your pockets.
Golf
Another
ball.
golf
Right,
ball.
empty your
I
pockets.
think somebody's hitting them for the gardens then.
No, there's a driving range right there.
Oh, is it?
That's what it is.
Was that a driving range? Aye.
There was a boy going about with a big bag full of them.
Right, guys. Sorry, I never got your names. What was it?
Adam
Adam.
and
I'm
Angie.
Angie.
Nice to meet you, Adam.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Angie.
Alright, what's your name?
Alex.
Alex.
Aye. So, if you check out the hammy hunting videos on Toddys Digs, you'll see yourself.
Are we on the video? Are we?
They're on the video, didn't
Right, found,
Few wee coins and
I think this is a button. That's a coin, I think that might be a button.
That's a button, aye, and that's a...
Somebody said it was something to do with
Oh, that's a wee coin, isn't it? Well, is it a
American or something around.
coin? Aye.
Does that look hammy to you?
It does. Can't see it, but I'd say it's some sort of hammy.
A flint?
Oh God, everybody's getting flint. Malks!
Why am I in such high demand today?
Oh aye, that's a wee hammy. It's got a thistle on it.
Yeah, dirty snake you.
1640s.
Oh, the wee ones, aye.
Nice wee button as well.
What?
Pipe bowl. And the weirder the hut were, the older they are.
What is it?
It's a
Pipe bowl.
Clay pipe bowl. 1640-ish. That's when they started bringing tobacco over from Virginia, Jamestown.
I think it's Charles II.
Is it?
Pretty sure.
Ah, that's what I wondered with the wee thistle on it. Right, there's your first hammies, guys. You can get a wee look at it.
Quite thin. Quite.
Awkward. That is silver, but see when you clean it up,
Uh-huh.
you're gleaming silver.
Well, hello there, my hammy hunting friends, and that's us. Another day in Toddys Digs. And it's been a good day. The weather held out for us. One wee shower, I think, but that was it. Can't see from my glasses. It's been a really good day. A few hammies came up. Not as many as I thought would have came up, but a few nice coins came up. I've got a buckle. And
What else?
I've got a Georgia. What?
Third.
Georgia third. Aye. So it's been no bad for me. This man's got crap. He's got hee-haw McGraw.
Check the page.
Check the page, aye. Give him a chance to go on eBay. Right guys, I don't know where we'll be next week, but until we do get out next week and meet in another Toddys Digs, you guys take care, be safe, good luck.
Hardly believe my luck.
Happy hunting.
Was a big old penny just lying in the muck. Hey, you can't dig here, you can't dig there, that's what I heard him say. You're gonna have to leave now and don't come back this way. I was looking for some old coins, but I didn't have much luck. He said it was a lame excuse and he didn't